confession, the humility, the brokenness towards him recognizing his failures before God. He says, wash me, cleanse me, I acknowledge my transgressions, purge me, wash me again in verse 7. Create in me a clean heart, renew a steadfast spirit in me, restore to me the joy of your salvation. These are all pleas towards God from a person who isn't making excuses, isn't blaming anybody else, isn't coming up with all the reasons why somebody else was also to blame. He just acknowledges, wow, I have sinned. I have sinned.